Namaste Yogis. I am Yogi Vipin Singh Farswan, and on the behalf of Himalayan Yoga Association, as a teacher here, I am welcoming you all in this online teacher training course. I am your Vinyasa teacher and I am wishing you all the very best for the course. Namaste. Namaste Yogis. Welcome back to my Vinyasa session. So as I told you, in today's Vinyasa session we are going to work on flow. So let's start. So simply sit in cross-legged position. You can gently place your hands on your knees or over your lap. And gently close your eyes. Prepare yourself. Try to maintain your spine straight. No need to lift the shoulders up. Keep your shoulders relaxed, nice and slow. Slowly take a deep breath in. Exhale out. Inhale. And exhale out nice and slow. Inhale. And exhale. Now keep doing this for a few seconds. Few more breaths. Now with your next inhalation, bring your palm near to heart center. Exhale, release your shoulders down. Now prepare yourself for 3 on. Take a deep breath in. Inhale. Inhale. Stay there. Feel the sensation of Om in your body. Slow down your breath. Slow down your head as you exhale. Gently open your eyes. Hari Om. Namaste. So let's start this class with a gentle warm-up in a sitting position. Then we'll move to sun salutation and then we'll cover up standing posture and leg balancing postures. So if you have any kind of lower back issue or if you have tight hip flexure, it means if you are feeling too much pain while sitting in this position, you can gently place something underneath your hip. It can be a block or it can be a blanket. So we'll start with the neck movement, then we'll work on spinal movement. So prepare yourself. You can close your eyes or you can open your eyes, up to you. Keep your shoulders relaxed, no need to lift your shoulders like this. Shoulders should be relaxed. Now with the next inhalation, slowly lift your chin up, nice and slow. Now look toward the ceiling. Again, avoid this mistake. You have to avoid this mistake here. Keep your shoulders relaxed, look up. As you exhale, slowly touch your chin on your sternum. Stretch your back side of the neck. Inhale up, nice and slow. Look up. Exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down, nice and slow. Take your time, take your breath. We'll do 2 more rounds. Take a deep breath in, slow, lift your neck up, look up. As you exhale, slowly drop your chin down on your sternum. Again, inhale up. Make sure your spine should be straight, no need to curve your spine. As you exhale, slowly drop down. Now from here you have to make a rotation, like make a circle from your neck. So first, as you inhale, move towards your left shoulder and slowly make a big circle. As you inhale, look up toward the ceiling. Now as you exhale, come towards the right shoulder, complete your circle. And again to the second round, nice and slow. Don't tight your body, just release your body. Go with the breath. No need to make a rush. We'll do 2 more rounds here. Nice and slow. Feel all the stretch coming on your neck. Let's do 1 more round. Same technique. Breathe in. As you're coming down, exhale. Now from the center, change your side, change your direction, move towards the right to left, nice and slow. Again, if you are feeling too much pain on your leg or on your lower back, you can use something underneath your hip, or you can go towards the wall. It's good to take a support of the wall instead of hurting yourself. So we'll do 2 more rounds, nice and slow. One last round, same technique. Exhale as you're coming down. Now slowly lift your head up, look forward. Now as you exhale, extend your right hand towards your right side. You can take a fingertip support here. Inhale, lift your left arm up. By bending your elbow, place your fingers towards your right side on the neck, and as you exhale, tilt your head towards the left side. Feel the stretch here. Hold, breathe in, breathe out. Nice and slow. Go gently. Again, don't force too much. Soft hands. Nice and slow. A slight touch, a slight push. Now slowly release back to the center. Change the side, switch your side. Extend your left hand. Slowly lift your right arm up. And exhale. Repeat this thing towards the opposite side. Again, I will suggest the same thing. Don't push hard. Just go slow. Hold here. Again, don't hold your breath. Keep breathing. If you are feeling uncomfortable, then try to focus on your breathing. It's the best way to find a comfort. So let's do 1 more round. Inhale, switch your side, nice and slow. And one more thing, don't lean too much forward or don't curve your spine. Keep your spine straight. 2 more breaths here. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly switch your side. Repeat the same thing on the opposite side. One last round with this portion. To make yourself more comfortable, you can close your eyes. Breathe. 2 more breaths here. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly, gently release your hand. Lift your head up. I will do some twisting here. Take a deep breath in. And exhale, twist towards your right side. Nice and slow. Inhale back to the center and exhale, twist towards the left side. Inhale back to the center and exhale, twist towards the right side. Repeat the same thing on the opposite side, nice and slow. Exhale, twist. Now with the next inhalation back to the center, now let's do some shoulder opening. Inhale from the sideways, lift your hands up. Reach high, lengthening your spine. Now interlace your fingers, turn your palm upside. Now from here, I can show you from this side. You don't need to curve your spine. Try to straighten your spine and push your shoulders like you're work on opening the shoulder, like you have to push your chest forward. You can see I'm making a slight arch on my lower back. Hold here and exhale. Extend your hand by the sideways as you coming forward with your hands. Make a curve on your back. Hug yourself. And again, inhale. Open your heart. Bend your elbow. Look up. And exhale. Slowly hug yourself. Again, inhale up. And exhale, nice and slow. Wake your spine up. Inhale up. We'll do one more round. And exhale, slowly release. Inhale back to the center. Now let's move to the tabletop position. So same thing I've showed in the previous video to maintain your wrist and shoulder in one line, not forward, not backward. Same concept on your knees, on the hip. So let's start with some spinal movement and some wrist rotation. So just keep moving with the flow. Breathe in and breathe out. Keep making a circle on the tabletop. Nice and slow. Just move freely, free yourself. According to your comfort, according to your limit, according to your practice, you can move further. Nice and slow. Wake your spine up. Because for a healthy body is most important to maintain a spine strong and healthy. Nice and slow. So let's start with the cat and cow. Inhale, drop your belly down, lift your heart up, lift your hip up, look up toward the ceiling and exhale. Squeeze your abdomen, tuck your tailbone in, make a hunch on your upper back. Again, inhale. Slowly lift your hip height, drop your belly down, look up. And exhale, slowly squeeze your abdomen, tuck your tailbone in. We'll do 3 more rounds. Inhale up, nice and slow. And exhale down. No rush, go slow as possible. And you can use your breathing according to your breath. And exhale, go down. We'll do 1 more round with the holding here. So inhale and hold here. So while holding the posture is the most important thing, you don't need to hold your breath. So keep breathing. Because I found most people, they hold their breath too. So you have to avoid this. Now as you exhale slowly, make a hand squeeze your abdomen, tuck your tailbone and hold the posture here. Keep breathing. Avoid holding your breath. And slowly release. Now from here, tuck your tailbone in and slowly extend your leg for downward facing dog. Nice and slow. Now keep lifting your heels up and down. Prepare your hands straight. Prepare a calf. Keep bending your knees one by one. Don't make a curve of your spine. Try to maintain your spine straight and then overextend your shoulders. According to your limit, you have to move. Don't push hard. Nice and slow, prepare yourself by lifting your heels up and down. Keep bending your knees. You can move your shoulders. Prepare yourself. So let's do some cobra and down dog. Slowly shift your weight forward by dropping your belly down. Bend your elbow. Come up for cobra and exhale slowly by hunching your back. Go back to downward facing dog. If you have a tight back, you can open leg more out and exhale slowly. Go for cobra. Bend your elbow. Drop your belly down. Look forward and exhale by hunching your back. Go back to downward facing dog. Now slowly move forward for cobra. Now this time you have to extend your elbow, look forward and exhale. Slowly go back to downward facing dog. Again, inhale. We'll do 2 more rounds. Extend your elbow, look forward. Now this time extend your leg, look up and exhale. Slowly move to downward facing dog. Again, 1 more round. Shift your weight forward. Slightly drop your belly down. Lift your heart up. Exhale. Move back to downward facing dog. Now slowly minimize the gap in between your leg by shifting your weight forward. Find a Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale out for Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, go back to Adho Mukha. Nice and slow over here.